We're celebrating the 5th year, which is awesome. Yes, representing is now 5 years old. So before we start anything, I'd like to invite Bakhita, who will be performing for a few minutes. So yeah, thank you. Enjoy.
And remember, design is for everyone. Thank you very much. Enjoy Nairobi Design Week.
Energy so heavy when we killed the beat. Black girl magic came right round and fulfilled your needs, fulfilled your lust for deeper creativity, full of sound, full of spectrum in our artistry. Yeah.
We are featuring female artists because it's International Women's Day.
So Matriarchy is an online collective. We're intersectional in our purpose for the empowerment and development of African cities within the realm of spatial education. We have a diverse team where we work within the themes of architecture, design, and urbanism.
So BuildHer is an organization that empowers women through construction by equipping them with employable accredited construction skills and linking them up to employment. And the collection is curated around the quote, "The less we see with our eyes, the more we see with our hearts." It's a call to kindness, to see beyond what appears as face value, but to dig deeper for more meaning.
So golden, so golden, so clean, so golden, so golden, fresh, so clean, so clean, so golden.